stop scrolling if you love discovering hidden gems of culinary history. Kerisik, the humble toasted coconut paste, holds a treasured place in Malay cooking, traditionally made by slow toasting grated coconut until golden brown, then pounding it into a rich, nutty paste. Kerisik infuses rendang, laksa and curries with deep aromatic flavors. Its origins trace back to ancient Malay trade routes where coconut was abundant and vital. More than an ingredient, Kerisik symbolizes communal gatherings as families prepare it together for festive feasts, blending taste with tradition.